Take minced meat half kg. It should be very nicely minced. Add haldi powder 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. Ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoons. Salt according to taste. 4 green chilies, a handful of pudina, mint leaves and handful of coriander leaves. Little bit of garam masala powder, half a teaspoon. Curd, 150 ml of curd. And 50 ml of hot oil. Now we are going to mix it with your hands so that it will get evenly mixed, so that the chicken will be marinated well. Let's mix it thoroughly. We will keep it aside for 10 minutes. Curd is not enough, it should be somewhat loose, so I am adding some more curd. Now let's keep it aside for half an hour. Keep cooker on stove. Add ghee 100 ml, and in it we are going to add all the biryani masala sabut, anise, cinnamon, shajira, ilaichi, cloves. When it splutters well, add 3 onions cut into very small pieces. Let's fry the onion till it's become translucent. The color should change. It should become pinkish. Add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Put the powder of almonds, all dry fruits which you have, and raisins, and 3 tablespoons of rose petals dried, and I am adding 100 ml of dalia and 100 grams of all lentils made into powder, masoor dal, urad dal, chana dal, tur dal, and add 100 ml of curd along with it now. Once again add mint leaves, at least 2 handfuls of mint leaves and 2 handfuls of coriander leaves. It gives very good taste. Now we will add fried onions. If you don't have fried onions ready at home, you prepare and keep. Salt according to your taste. The marinated chicken to it. The chicken has marinated very well because it was minced. It has marinated very well. we will add it to the cooker. Now we will add water. Add water, at least 2 liters of water, and close the cooker. It should at least come 5 whistles. Now I have shifted it to the kadai. Now we will smash it with the potato smasher. This process should be done at least for half an hour till the halim becomes sticky. Now we will add ghee tadka to it. Hot ghee of 200 ml, and garnish it with fried onions. Now our chicken halim is ready. It is mouth-watering and very famous Hyderabadi dish. You make it. If you like it, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.